If you have a goldfish tank or any fish tank aquarium, you are going to need a filter vacuum. So this one from AKKEE works really well and it has a number of different attachments. So I'm gonna walk through all of those. So first, it telescopes. So this part right here, you can loosen and extend it. So if you have a much larger tank than my 10-gallon tank right here, you can extend it so you can reach way down onto the inside. I don't need that, so I actually shorten it up, and so this is the length of it. This is the part that the water is going to be pulled up through. When it pulls up through, it goes through and then goes through this filter before going into the hose. It has a number of different settings on it. So you have the on-off button, you have a timer, and then you have 3 different speeds. So you've got slow, medium, and fast. For the attachments, the first one here, this is the one that I use primarily. This is the gravel attachment. So what it does, and I'll show you, is it makes it easy for you to dig around in the gravel, and then the gravel doesn't get stuck in the filter, and you're able to get some of the debris and fish waste out of the gravel really easily with this filter. If you have sand at the bottom of your aquarium, this is going to be the attachment that you're going to use. This allows for the sand, you can drag it along the sand, and the sand's going to be sucked up a little bit in here and then pulled back down, and the debris is going to flow through, so you're able to disturb the debris without getting the sand clogged in the filter. So this actually works really well. So that's what the length here is for, so that sand can tumble in there. You also have this attachment. It's a little duckbill attachment. This one is going to be more for trying to get large surface items. So you can go across the surface. If you don't have any gravel or sand in your aquarium, just to scoop out all of the debris. If you've got a lot of debris on the surface, scoop it out. Really easy, simple to use. And then the last attachment is this little squeegee attachment. I'll also show you how this guy works. It's got a little silicone squeegee here, so you can squeegee the side of your fish tank. So all you do is take your wand, put it down in the water. What I typically do is I have it filter back into the fish tank for a little while I'm disturbing it. So we just go ahead and we hit the power button on. So right now it's sucking through here, and I'm just filtering it through the little filter area right here. Now what I do first is I go around my whole fish tank and clean up the debris. So let's show you how the gravel guy works. So you just knock up and move this around, and you can see I'm starting to kick up some debris, and then I can just suck up that debris that I kicked up. So this is a little gravel vacuum filtration, so I'm able to get all that debris that these goldfish make in just a couple of days. Now we're going to go ahead and put on this attachment. So to change the attachment, this just literally slides right off. And this one snaps on. So now, once I've really stirred up all of the debris and done a really good vacuum in the gravel, this is when I'll do a water change. So while it's running and still going through the filter, I'll get a little bucket like this and just fill it up. And go dump this water out, and then I'll refill. I can use this as well to refill it by either getting a larger bucket and pouring the water back in, or just using this to refill my water with our fish tank water.